are going to act like airplanes around everyone. Holly, we found your playset.
No way.
It's one way to hide. You guys are aware of the fact that it's going to make them notice you better, right?